Hi everyone, this is Valentine from Sheetgo. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically connect BigQuery data to a CSV file. Click the link in the description to get access to this feature. As you can see, I'm currently in our Sheetgo web application where I'm starting to build my workflow. Let's give this workflow a name, BigQuery to CSV, for example. And when creating a workflow, we always have three options. You can start from scratch by building your own, use some popular connections that are listed right here, or use a business template. In our case, we're going to start from scratch because we want to connect to BigQuery, of course. So click Connect Files to do so. The first step in creating a Sheetgo workflow is selecting your data source. So where does the data come from? This can either be a spreadsheet, so Google Sheets, Excel, CSV, CSV file, or multiple files, either in a folder or not. But in our case, we want to connect data coming from a database in BigQuery. So let's select BigQuery right here. You need to give authorization to access your BigQuery data, of course, so that Sheetgo can bring your projects right here. After you've done that, you select your project. There we go. And Sheetgo will automatically open the query editor that comes straight from BigQuery, so it's the exact same system. You also have your column names right here to make it easier for you to write the query. But in our case, I want to just bring all the data with a limit of 50 rows. You can use this button to validate the query and see if your query is valid, and it is, so we can continue to the next step. Now we have selected our data source and we need to select where we want to send this data to. So this can either be a Google Sheets, Excel, or CSV file. In our case, we want to send this data to a CSV file. You have two options right here. Sheetgo can bring this data in an already existing file in one of your cloud storage solutions, or you can let it create a new CSV file for you. Let's give this a name, BigQuery to CSV. And here you can select whether you want your CSV file to be stored in Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, or Dropbox. That's it. Let's click on Done Editing. And now you see that we're going to bring data from BigQuery straight into a CSV file. Click Finish and Save to do so. There we go. If you take a look at the workflow, you'll see that Sheetgo brings data from your Iris dataset in BigQuery straight into your CSV file in Google Drive. Let's open the file to take a look at it. There we go. Our BigQuery data was imported into our CSV file. If you want to update this connection, you simply click Run on this panel, but you can also schedule automatic updates to this workflow. So you enable the automatic updates and you can schedule it according to whenever you need the latest information, of course. This can be once a day, multiple times a day, or once a month. And you can select on which day this workflow should update as well. Every time Sheetgo runs the connection, the data from BigQuery will then automatically update into your CSV file. You can share this entire workflow with your colleagues using this button right here, and add more connections to this workflow using this Connect button. That's it. That's how you automatically connect BigQuery to CSV files with Sheetgo. If you have any question about this, do not hesitate to comment below or contact our support team. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas and templates. Thank you very much.